Assalamualaikum Commerce Craze Hub. Management procedural controls against virus attacks. Management procedural controls against virus attacks involve establishing and enforcing policies, procedures, and guidelines to prevent, detect, and respond to virus threats effectively. Some examples of management procedural controls are: here are some examples. 1. Security policies to user training. 3. Access control for incident response. Procedures. 5. Regular updates and patch management. Example. 1. Security policies. Implementing a comprehensive security policy that includes guidelines for safe browsing, email usage, and software installation. 2. User training. User training is essential to help users understand how to protect themselves from viruses. Users should be taught about the risks of opening attachments from unknown senders. 3. Access control. Enforce user access policies to grant appropriate permissions for job tasks while restricting unnecessary access to sensitive systems and data. For incident response procedures. Establishing incident response procedures to quickly identify and respond to virus attacks. 5. Regular updates and patch management. Establish procedures for applying security patches and updates to all systems, applications, and devices in a timely manner. Don't wait, start learning now.